friends, today I am going to discuss about atomic structure of class 7 level. Atomic structure, we are all, that means we all in the universe is audible with atom from class 5. Atom, before we have learned that atom cannot be divided further, and it is described as atom is the smallest possible unit of our universe that cannot be divided further any other parts. But later in the late 20th century, it is discovered that atom itself is divided into three main subatomic particles. Their first one is proton, second one is neutron, and the third one is electron. Now proton. Proton is positively charged particle, that means it has an electrical charge on it and it has 1 unit mass. And neutron, it does not have any charge on it, that means it is neutral and it have 1 unit mass. And electron, it have negatively charged on it and it does not have any mass. Now they have specific symbol, charge and gram. Now the mass of proton, neutron, electron, the unit of mass is gram and the unit of charge is coulomb. Now we all know about molecule. Now when atoms join together, they form molecule. And again, molecule is divided into molecule of an element and molecule of an compound. Now today we are going to start with molecule of an element. That means when atoms of two or more element of same kind or different kind join in whole numbers, they form molecule of an element. Like there is another atomicity. From this molecule of an element coming atomicity. Atomicity, that means the number of atoms of an element that joins in whole number to form the atomicity. So the element of a molecule can be divided into 4 parts, that is monoatomic, diatomic, triatomic and polyatomic. Monoatomic, it contains only one atom, that means the atom of inert gases are regarded as their molecule as they can independent freely, like helium, neon, argon, radon, xenon, etc. Now coming diatomic, they have two atoms. That means their atomic number is 2. For example, hydrogen, H2, O2, Cl2, chlorine, etc. Triatomic molecule or atom, triatomic molecule, they have 3 atoms. For example, ozone, O3, we write the symbol as O3, and polyatomic, these have more than 3 atoms, like phosphorus P4, then sulfur S8. So these are the molecules of element. And according to these, there are some symbols, like hydrogen symbol, they are H2, then oxygen O2, chlorine Cl2, then ozone O3, phosphorus P4, then sulfur S8. Now from the above, it is clear that atom, that means H represent 1 atom of hydrogen, 2H represent 2 atom of hydrogen, and H2 represent 2 molecule or 1 molecule of hydrogen. Similarly, 2H represent 2 atom of hydrogen, 2H2 represent 2 molecule of hydrogen. So this was today's task. So I think it is clear to you. If you face any problem, you can say in the comment box, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.